Hi, this is Stacy Hall, Chairman of the Habersham County Board of Commissioners. A lot's been happening over the last few days and weeks, and I wanted to come to you today to fill you in on what's been happening lately, and certainly the action that the County Commission took this morning that is really going to affect all of our lives, and certainly in the next 14 days. Earlier this morning, the Commission deliberated for about 3 hours on a resolution that declares a state of emergency for the county and provides for additional directives in our battle against the COVID-19 virus. There is a resolution in its entirety on habershamga.com. You're welcome to review that document directly there. I'm going to provide the link for you on my Facebook page, but again, I want to strongly encourage you to read the document. At this time, I'd like to provide some updates and important points of that resolution so that you are aware of that. I'll give you an opportunity to ask questions via my Facebook page, or you can email me directly at shall@habershamga.com. Again, these are very important initiatives as we all work together to battle the COVID-19 virus. I want to say personally that I have spent many hours in prayer as we have tried to find a resolution to this crisis. I do not take these decisions lightly as they affect the physical and financial well-being of all of our families. So certainly we have tried to give heavy weight and due diligence to these decisions. We have spent many hours of planning and due diligence in consultation with a wide cross-section of experts that we have tried to carefully craft a resolution that does two things. One, it helps us battle this pandemic, but it also provides for the financial well-being of our families too. So again, I would just like to kind of go through some of the highlights, but I want to encourage you to read the document directly. The state of emergency declaration that we've entered allows the county to act quicker and more efficiently in response to an emergency situation such as the current public health crisis. The balance of the resolution affirms the directives that Governor Kemp has already given and directs our citizens in unincorporated areas of Habersham to shelter in place for 2 weeks, with a number of exceptions such as work, medical needs, obtaining supplies, performing other essential tasks. All those things are outlined in the resolution. Again, I highly and strongly encourage everyone to read the document in its entirety. During the next 14 days, all public and private gatherings of more than 10 people anywhere within unincorporated Habersham are prohibited. There are a few exceptions such as grocery stores, pharmacy, medical facilities, and the like, with additional directives provided in detail inside the resolution. The resolution also includes reasonable limitations or directives to several business categories in an effort to limit the spread of the virus. However, significant attention to detail has been made in order to allow our citizens to work and support their families. This process has been a very delicate balance between providing responsible initiatives to curb the spread of the virus versus an overreaching and overbearing government. Again, I want to encourage you to read the document. The responsibility, I want to be clear on this, the responsibility to flatten the curve falls on the shoulders of all of us. As neighbors, friends, members of this community, each of us has a civic duty to protect each other. And I want to encourage you strongly to do that, to do just that. Look out for your neighbors, look out for your loved ones, and follow the resolution. I encourage us all to stay home as much as possible over the next 2 weeks. Now, as of noon today, the Department of Public Health is reporting that there are no, I want to repeat, no confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Habersham County. That's good news, but it is, let's be honest, it's only a matter of time before it does happen. But as of today, and I know yesterday there was some misreporting, but as of noon today, the Department of Public Health is not showing any confirmed cases in the county. I am in constant communication with our hospital, our EMS director, our law enforcement, and other county officials throughout the county, and I can confirm that today. Now, again, I am happy to address any questions here on via Facebook, or you may email me at shall@habershamga.com. That's shall@habershamga.com. Together we're going to get through this. Again, I want to caution everybody not to panic, but we do need to take it seriously. And I cannot encourage you enough to stay home as much as possible. But we will get through this together. May God bless you and your families during this critical time. Thank you.